Join me as I dive into the brand new Fujifilm X-Pro 4 and put it to the test. Can I capture the perfect shot with this camera in just one day? The Fujifilm X-Pro 4 is finally here, and I'm thrilled to get my hands on it. As a highly anticipated release in the camera world, it's no wonder photographers everywhere are buzzing with excitement. For many of us, Fujifilm's X-Pro series has been a benchmark for innovation and excellence. However, despite its impressive features, previous models had some limitations that left many photographers craving more. One of the main pain points was battery life. We've all been there, out in the field, capturing stunning shots, only to have our camera die on us at the most inopportune moment. It was frustrating, to say the least. Another issue was the lack of weather sealing. As photographers, we're often shooting in harsh environments, and the last thing we want to worry about is our gear malfunctioning due to a little rain or dust. And let's not forget about the autofocus performance, which, although good, could be improved upon. Fast forward to the X-Pro 4, and Fujifilm has seemingly addressed these concerns and more. For starters, the new X-Pro 4 boasts a 26.1 megapixel X-Trans CMOS 4 sensor, which promises to deliver exceptional image quality. Additionally, Fujifilm has revamped the camera's design, making it more ergonomic and comfortable to hold. The most notable upgrade, however, is the significant improvement in autofocus performance. With advanced phase detection and a faster processor, the X-Pro 4 can track and focus on subjects with ease. But what really sets the X-Pro 4 apart is its incredible video capabilities. It can shoot 4K at 30 FPS and offers a range of advanced features like F-Log recording and slow-motion video. Whether you're a photographer or videographer, the X-Pro 4 has got you covered. And let's not forget about the improved battery life, which promises to deliver up to 500 shots on a single charge. One feature that has me particularly excited is the advanced image stabilization system. This means that even when shooting handheld or in low light, you can capture sharp, blur-free images with confidence. It's a game changer for photographers who want to push the limits of their creativity. I can already envision the incredible shots I'll be able to capture with this camera. From sweeping